The biggest leak of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, and it's a big one. We've got an actual hands-on video of the phone in high quality, which is rare for leaks, and it reveals some exciting details. Let's dive right in. First impressions. The design has noticeable upgrades. The corners now have a glossy metallic finish, resembling the iPhone 15 Pro, and are much smoother compared to the sharp, pointy corners on the S24 Ultra. Samsung seems to be going for a more rounded look, likely to match the smoother visuals of the new One UI 7. The phone also features flat metal sides with chamfered edges for better grip, while the bezels are ultra-thin and uniform around the display. On the back, the camera rings remain but have a toned-down look compared to previous models, giving it a more refined appearance. The S25 Ultra's titanium color is a subtle but noticeable update over the S24 Ultra. Overall, the new design feels fresh. However, whether it's better than the S24 Ultra depends on personal taste. Some might miss the boxy, sharp edges and the older camera rings, but Samsung clearly aimed to address feedback about the sharper edges of its predecessors. Now let's talk about the display. While this 25 Ultra doesn't feature the latest M14 OLED panel seen in some competitors, it gets an upgraded M13 OLED panel. This improves power efficiency, enhances color vibrancy, and adds more clarity. Additionally, Samsung's anti-reflective coating reduces screen glare outdoors, which makes it stand out against the competition. Under the hood, Samsung is offering 12 or 16 GB of RAM, depending on the storage variant. The base 256 GB model comes with 12 GB of RAM, while the 512 GB and 1 TB models feature 16 GB. And with pre-order offers often including free storage upgrades, you might get bumped to 16 GB of RAM for less. What's exciting is that Samsung is focusing on future-proofing with up to 7 years of software updates. Plus, the extra RAM could become more valuable as artificial intelligence integration grows in everyday tech. Lastly, Samsung is introducing a fourth variant called the Galaxy S25 Slim. It's designed for users who don't need the S Pen but still want a premium Samsung experience. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is thinner, lighter, and packed with updates that refine the user experience. Whether you're upgrading or curious about what's next, this device is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Samsung's lineup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.